All right, on to food. Who doesn't like food? I love food, you love food. So let's talk food that we need to serve at the open house. First off, stay away from sauces. You don't want someone walking through the open house spilling barbecue sauce on the brand new carpets that they just put in so they can get a higher price for the home. That's first thing. Next, you want to go with finger foods. Not like garbage finger foods, but you want to go with nicer finger foods that they can carry it on a plate. Use toothpicks and plastic silverware. Don't bring out the fancy silverware because one, it might get stolen. Two, it's heavy. And when you're using plastic or paper plates, you don't want it all over the place. Next thing is when you're doing at least your first open house, you want to make sure that you're going all out. You've built up a ton of mystery about the home by doing the coming soon strategy that we already talked about. Everyone's excited, they want to see it. Now it's time to give them what they want. You want to go all in. So if you have to spend a little bit extra to get the fancy charcuterie, I think we did like a caprese. We really try to set up that first open house with some really good food. You also want to look at, for drinks, you want to go with individual little cans, like they have those mini cans that you can get, Dr. Peppers, Coca-Colas, or the mini water bottles. It's going to save you a little bit of money too because people are going to take them with them. They're going to snatch a few of them. I've seen people take like 4 or 5 and just throw them in their purse. So go with the individual ones. That way they're not having to pour drinks all over the place and you're not going through cups and they're not dropping open containers. Make sure you go all in with the food for at least the first open house. Afterward, you can kind of lower it down if it stays on the market for a little bit. Go with finger foods. Don't do pastas, don't do lasagnas. Do things where they can grab it with a toothpick, boom, throw it in their mouth, they're good to go. All right, so if you enjoyed our content and it was useful, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe down below. Or if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance, make sure to reach out to us. You can give us a call, you can send us an email, you can even send me a text message. All of our information is in the description. Look forward to hearing from you.